Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys, another fun gele. Today I'm going to be trying out this pattern of time fan gele to make it look round and both sides equal. So guys, I'm starting off with my first pleat, so you can form as many pleats as you wish at the front. Form a beautiful pleat. So you have to form your pleats, then you arrange the sides of the gele to make it flat. When you're done arranging it, I'm going to go ahead and cross this gele at the back, making the shorter one to be at the top while the longer one comes under. So guys, the system I'm using is that of 80-20. So I'm just kind of removed smaller parts of the gele. Instead of making it 70, I'm using that of 20. So guys, like I told you, just cross it at the back. Then you come up with the longer part of the gele, which is the 80 part. The 80 part is the part you use to form your fan plates. I'm going to go ahead and ask her to hold the 20 for me, while I work with the 80. So coming up right now with the 80. So I'm going to go ahead again, pleat more pleats to add to the ones I've pleated already. As you pleat, you drag it down. So for me to start my fan, I have to make sure that I'm almost at the end of the gele. So depending on the size you want your fan to come out. So here I'm starting my fan. Remember, for you to pleat a very beautiful fan, you have to make sure that your hand is in a slant form. So when you pleat, you take it down, adjust the pleat to the end, you pleat again. I like to use pin a lot whenever I'm forming a fan pleat. Pins won't allow your pleats to scatter. So guys, follow up your fan pleats gradually. You do not need to, sorry guys, you don't need to rush your fan pleats. You have to follow it gradually. So guys, I forgot to tell you the gele I'm using is pepper gele, not the sago type, the normal type that we all know. And this pepper gele is a kind of strong. I choose to use it. You can see how my fan plate is standing. So guys, this is where we all find it very difficult when we get to the end of the fan. Majority of us find it difficult to achieve this particular place. So all you need to do when you get to this particular place is to bring your hands up. Sorry, I'm pinning. So you bring your hands up, you divide the gele. I want you to watch on the screen so that you get what I'm doing. You don't need to take your hands down, you bring it up to make your fan round and equal. I'm kind of trying it out. Later I'll come to the front and arrange it. If you are using sago gele, this gele will come out beautiful without you managing the gele. So if you are using this kind of gele like pepper gele, I would advise you pin it. If you are using ashoke, it will just stand on its own without you going through difficult time arranging it and making it to stand. If you use a softer gele, it's better, but this I'm using the hard type, so I advise you pin it to make it easier for you. So guys, the next thing I'll do now is to ask her to hold the end of the fan for me. So I will go ahead and twist the remaining parts. The part I will use to tie with the 20, sorry. I'll twist in a way. The reason why I asked her to hold it for me, because I wouldn't want my fan to unravel. So this is the back of the gele. I will go ahead and tie with the 20. Tight it very well. So guys, I'm done tying it at the back. I'm done with the back. So the next stage is to arrange my plates. So I will arrange this side. Follow the plate I've formed. Reduce it if it's bigger than the other side, because we are trying to make both sides of the gele look equal. So you use your pin. So So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. And when you subscribe, remember to click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button. When you do so, you will get notification anytime I upload a new video. For those of you that keep coming back, keep supporting me, keep encouraging me, thank you so much. Please remember to always watch my video, and when you do so, you encourage me to do more. We have a lot of tutorial coming soon. We have a lot to learn in this channel, so share my video with your family and friends and thumb my videos up. So guys, if you like this video, please